Hello, good morning everyone and welcome to this particular video. Before I start a comprehensive analysis of the Alephium price and everything that revolves around its ecosystem, I would like to say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Today is December 23rd, 2025, and we're rolling out for this year. I would like to say congratulations for making it to this very point in time, irrespective of your geographical location. I would like to say congratulations. Thank you so much for sticking with Alephium. Thank you so much for sticking with us all through the year and see you. Okay, so the price analysis of this beautiful token, the Alephium token, is this. Currently, the price sits at 0.1120, which is a 6.48 decline from last week's price. Currently, we're ranked around 873 on Coinmarketcap. I would like to say we have about 8 to 10,000 tokens listed, so it's remarkable for us. We ranked 873, though we're aiming to get higher. When you look at this chart is sponsored by TradingView on coinmarketcap.com. We can see that we had two inverted hammers here and here. Then we had a confirmation signal here. Okay, the market went up a little. So this is not a technical analysis video, but I just wanted to talk a little about it. So we're expecting a price reversal. We have a support at 0.13, which the price is going to test again shortly. Okay, so that's just a price analysis of what has been going on. Currently, we have a very strong resistance at 0.14, which has been tested multiple times. So once we break that, we're going to head into a new zone. Okay, so we have a converter here on coinmarketcap.com that gives us an instant value of ALPH token by just imputing the price of the dollar equivalent you want to buy. So let's say you want to buy $500 worth of Alephium token, you'll be getting $4,460 with this at this current price. Okay, that's it. You get $4,460. Okay, so currently we can see that the market capitalization of the Alephium token is currently $13.71 million, which is a 2.33% decline. Our 24 hours trading volume is $291,000, which is a 21.14 decline from yesterday's price. Okay, our fully diluted volume is $24 million. Our total supply is 216 million ALPH tokens, and our circulating supply is 122 ALPH tokens. Okay, when we look, we can see the website, we can see our white paper. We have official documents, the website, our white paper. Our website still remains alephium.org. Our socials, we're currently on X, Reddit, GitHub, Facebook, X, Telegram, and Discord. So based on your social media platform of choice, you can head there and join our channel, or the one you are much more active in. You can join our channels there and follow our information, which are always up to date. Our contract address still remains the same; it hasn't changed. We are currently on some wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and we have our own proprietary wallet, which is Alephium which is currently available on Google Play Store and Apple iOS World. We're currently ranked 3.9. And we have various explorers like the Etherscan, our own proprietary wallet, explorer.alephium.org. So with that, we'll head into the Alephium market. But before that, we have tags like collectibles and NFTs. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. We have DeFi, which is decentralized finance, and smart contracts. These are some tags we have. And when you head to the Alephium market, we have two types of exchanges. We have the centralized exchanges and the decentralized exchanges. Okay, I'll just give you a summary of what they are. And a centralized exchange is an exchange where, the exchange administrators actually know who you are. It's very important they know who you are to track your transactions. So there you must submit a means of identification like your ID card, your national ID card, your voter's card, your driver's license, or your international passport. Any identification card that is recognized by your government is being accepted by these exchanges. Okay, but for decentralized exchanges, you can trade anonymously. All you have to do is connect your wallet through a web browser or a compactable wallet application. So when you head to the centralized exchanges, we have tier 1, we have tier 2, we have tier 3 exchanges. Remarkably, Alephium has listed itself on so many tier 1 exchanges, which is great. It shows dedication and the resolve and resilience of the core team. So I'll be running through the exchanges we're listed on and the prices we were able to achieve within the last 24 hours. So first of all, we have BitGet. We're able to trade $50,764. We have Gate.io. This is another tier 1 exchange. We're able to trade $51,873. We have MEXC, which is a tier 1 exchange. We have 98,674. We have Bitmart. We have CoinX. We have Bitunix, which we traded $63,000. We have Bioeconomy, which we traded $11,500. I would like to point out that Bioeconomy is currently running a staking program, okay, where you can stake your Alephium token and earn 35% APR. Is very important I state that. Okay, so let's head to the page 2. In the page 2, we can see that we have other centralized exchanges like non-KYC.io exchange, which currently traded $28,724. Coinfinex traded $50,442. Okay, so let's head to the decentralized exchanges. We have Uniswap. Uniswap traded approximately more than $10,000 within the last 24 hours, and PancakeSwap traded $86,000. It's imperative to note that Uniswap is a product of Ethereum, and PancakeSwap is a product of Binance. Okay, so when you go to all, this all constitutes of the centralized and the decentralized exchanges all together. So it's very, very important for us to note that these prices, this combination of these prices, a culmination of all these prices, gives us the trading volume we're able to achieve within the last 24 hours, which is at $255,000, which is a 37.93 decline from yesterday. Okay, so that's about the market. Now, when we head further, we'll head into the community. Let me give my votes bullish. So the community is where you have different people's comments, people's narratives, people's sentiments about the Alephium token. Okay, currently we have in the community, the sentiment is currently 88%, which is bullish. And we have about 68,400 votes that gave us this result from participants from different geographical locations of the world, you know. So currently, the sentiment of the Alephium token is bullish, which is remarkable. Okay, so when we head further, we can see comments from, participants of the Alephium ecosystem. New Pulse, it says Alephium isn't trying to be loud, it's trying to be right. Alephium's design choices prioritize long-term stability, predictable execution, and real decentralization. That kind of thinking doesn't trend on X, but is how durable blockchains are built. Okay, that's his comments on the Alephium um, thread, Alephium community thread. Okay, so you can come here to see various participants' comments. When you click on latest, you can see the comments that were posted within this one was posted within the last 1 hour. Okay, this one was posted within the last December 20th. Okay, so with that, we can head to about. If you don't have if you are encountering Alephium for the first time on Coinmarketcap, you can just come to the about section to have an idea of what Alephium actually does: scalability, smart contract, real decentralization without the trade-offs. Okay, Alephium unites the best of both worlds: the decentralized censorship, resistance, security of proof of work, and the unspent transaction, and the speed, scalability, and usability expected from modern smart contract platforms. Okay, fast 8 seconds block time to bps network throughput. You can just have an idea: 20,000 transactions per second, single chain experience. You can just have an overview of what the Alephium has to offer from CoinMarketCap before you go in-depthly into the website or the white paper. Okay, so CoinMarketCap is doing something remarkable here to be able to provide an information about the Alephium token and its ecosystem right from their website. Okay, so this will bring this video to an end. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can ask the questions on this YouTube channel. I'll be glad to answer your questions, or you can head to our Telegram group or X channels to ask your questions, and our administrators will be there to answer you, which around the clock, answer your questions and give you the feedback you need. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.